It's your boy say.
Singing on the subject of love too much these days, or it's very easy to sing on?
Okay, I wouldn't say it's easy to sing on. That's why people sing. You know, music itself is spirit, understand?
Yeah.
And you know, like I told you, sometimes you want to write about football. You know, you have to. The feeling that comes out. You know, as a musician, you should. Your records should be. Real. You understand?
Yeah.
Sometimes, to me, okay, when I want to be particular about something, I don't really feel it. But when naturally the vibes that come like that, then I always get a result out of that.
Nice.
Yeah. So that's me. Yeah.
Great. Now, 2018. What's next for you? Do you have any major project coming up?
Yeah. Right now, like I told you, Bratic got me down. He's hosting me now with some online promotion and radio talks and stuff, TV stuff like that. So basically that's what we're doing for now.
Nice.
And some other shows, a whole lot of shows coming up. Yeah, that's what we're
Nice
playing.
one. Now, on Twitter, coming from Riker GH, he says he loves Johnny Walker as a vibe, and he's doing some fire emojis on there. Wow, amazing. And coming from Junior Doe, he says, Charlie, the guy be good and naturally gifted, and I can't wait to sign him to my record label, which is Junior Doe's label. Well, Charlie, the guy is signed already, unless you're Doe, Charlie.
I tell you.
Yeah, man, of course, man. But we're going to be premiering your new song. It's called Crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you told me you're shooting a video for it.
We already shot a video for
Oh,
it.
you're done?
Yeah.
Is the video out?
Yeah, the video is out.
Nice, nice. We're going to be premiering it for people to hear it first, but we will be doing that, the same way as we sign off, this interview. But in case you have any, people want to check out on you, they want to check your stuff out, how do they do that? Your links and other stuff.
Okay, so if you want to get my song, you just search say. Okay, right now I have Lighter out there, I have Johnny Walker out there, and then Crazy is the main song that we are promoting now. And so you just type the name and the titles of the song on any website. Amayade Bread blog, you get it there. Ghana Nyom, you get it there, and stuff like that. So you get my songs there.
Nice. Abdul Rahman Lopez on Twitter says, feeling the vibes, man. Lift off doing the listening inside Abu Abu. And of course, he says he's loving what you're doing. Yeah, man. They say you're having a look. Do you have a fan base? And what's it called? A fan base?
Okay, for now, we are just, like that until time.
So I'd like you to mention your social media handle so they follow you and then become your fans.
Sure.
As well.
Okay, so on Facebook, you can follow me at Official Saved on Facebook, and then on Twitter at I am Saved GH.
Nice.
At I am Saved GH, and then on Instagram at I am Saved GH. And then you can watch all my videos on Utmost TV.
Utmost TV.
Yeah.
That's on YouTube.
Yeah, on YouTube.
Nice one. Thank you very much for coming to Saved. I wish you could do a freestyle, but we're hard pressed for time and we really need it. Yeah, we really need to bounce up to this interview. Hope to have you sometime soon, anytime you're in the Garden City. Just link up. We're just a phone call away. You're good, man. And then we just pray you go higher heights and all. But premiering brand new music coming from Saved. It's called Crazy. Listen to this first time I play on YFM.
It's your boy say.